The pace and often the very success of a logging operation begins at the cut. And that is precisely why Timberjack has put so much effort into designing and building the industry's most productive and reliable feller bunchers. Close to 2,000 Timberjack feller bunchers are working in forests worldwide. And there are more Timberjack 608s working than any other feller buncher in its class. These compact 608 feller bunchers have earned their remarkable reputation for high productivity, high mechanical reliability, ease of maintenance, and superb operator comfort and convenience. Building on the success of the 608, Timberjack introduces the 608B feller buncher, compact in size, big on performance. Many features set the Timberjack 608B ahead of the rest. The productive felling head and powerful boom set. The purpose-built high walker undercarriages. The comfortable operator's cab. The dependable and efficient hydraulics. And easy service and maintenance, all in a compact size. It all begins at the cut, and the 608B offers remarkable strength and durability. With a productive felling head that can get the wood on the ground quickly. Timberjack's factory-installed coring watrous felling heads continue to lead the industry in productivity and reliability. The S547 is an 18-inch high-accumulation felling head, featuring a large accumulator pocket, allowing fast cutting and the easy accumulation of large bunches, especially in smaller diameter wood. Its 22-inch cutting capacity can handle large butt flares as well. The 608B features a dedicated hydraulic circuit to maintain fast recovery speeds for optimum performance. The coring watrous 22-inch S566 center pocket design is available as an option for better tree control in larger timber. Both heads feature side tilt wrist arrangements to provide better felling head alignment with trees when the 608B is cutting on uneven ground. This compact unit provides plus or minus 15-degree side tilt of the felling head and high torque for better tree control once cut.
This is one of the better features on the whole head. It's got real strong power. When you cut a tree that's leaning, you can straighten it right up with ease. Them dual cylinders will really get the power. A lot more power than the single cylinder ever had. It's a lot makes your job a lot easier. You can, when you've got a heavy tree in your bucket, you can put it wherever you want it, you can stir it wherever you want it, you can lay it down where you want it. And that makes a big difference rather than not being able to straighten it up and having to drop the tree and it's across your trail and messing everything up. But with the dual cylinders, that eliminates all the messy work.
Timberjack 608B feller bunchers are designed for high production felling. The powerful boom set and large lift capacity for easy control of larger bunches. The long reach booms that minimize machine travel, and the 360-degree continuous swing rotation to reduce cycle times. The high walker undercarriage is built for performance and endurance. The purpose-built D5 size undercarriage is designed by Timberjack to work in the woods. The 8 large double-flanged tractor rollers on each side have oversized retaining bolts and are well protected by track guards. Track drive motors with integral disc brakes, counterbalance valves, and brake release valves require less plumbing for improved reliability and less downtime. And with up to 30 inches of ground clearance and a clean underbody design, the 608B has great mobility no matter what the terrain. A key feature of the 608B is its sensitive ground capability. With a low machine weight, it's extremely light on its feet, resulting in very low ground pressures. And with the wide selection of track options, you can match the machine to any ground condition. With ground pressures as low as 4.7 psi on 36-inch tracks, the 608B is especially suited for effective cutting on sensitive ground. The 608B is fast and highly maneuverable. The very efficient 167 horsepower Cummins 6 BTA engine provides all the power you need. The hydraulic system automatically adjusts the hydraulic output to engine capacity, resulting in outstanding fuel efficiency, longer component life, and maximum machine performance. The use of a heavy-duty oversized radiator and a large hydraulic oil cooler also add to extended engine and component life, as well as minimal maintenance. The 608B's high tractive effort through proven planetary gearboxes and drive motors provides speeds up to 3 miles per hour with a high power-to-weight ratio. This, combined with ramp angles at both ends of the track frame, allows for effective travel over rocks and stumps, through swamps, and over hilly terrain. Timberjack forest machines are very well known for their comfortable operator cabs, and the 608B is no exception. The large windows with tinted Lexan reduce the need for cage-type guarding, and the integral skylight provides excellent upward visibility for effective tree selection in a thinning. The sliding rear window with an insect screen doubles as an exit route, and the reverse-sloped windshield reduces glare and debris accumulation. Inside, the operator sits comfortably in a deluxe high-back suspension seat with 6-way adjustment. The armrest-mounted joysticks have soft-touch buttons to operate the felling head clamp arms and wrist, while the swing brake, saw blade on-off, and travel high-low range controls are fingertip toggle switches to reduce the physical effort to an absolute minimum. High-output heating and air conditioning are standard equipment with outlets that can be directed to the operator's feet for improved comfort no matter what the weather is like outside. Machine uptime counts. The time saved on routine servicing means more productive time on every shift. Large doors and hinged access panels provide convenient ground-level access to the engine oil fill, filters, and grease points. The battery shutoff switch can be accessed from ground level without opening the engine compartment door. Floodlights are provided in the service compartments to enhance visibility and for nighttime service. The 608B also incorporates many features to prevent debris buildup. There's improved sealing between the main boom and the cab, and deflectors at the top of the cab and at the back of the main boom allow leaves and needles to slide off the machine. For ease of cleanout, 3 large ports have been added to the turntable and 1 at the boom mount. And new hose routing in the hydraulic valve enclosure makes debris removal easier. With an estimated 90% of service components common with the large population of 608 machines working in the woods, parts availability is excellent. The 608B Feller Buncher is the result of the constant product development that goes into every Timberjack machine to improve its productivity, reliability, ease of service, and full shift operator comfort. And most importantly, it's all backed by Timberjack's extensive dealer network. In today's challenging forest environment, the pace and often the very success of a logging operation begins at the cut. And that's where you'll find the 608B Feller Buncher.
One thing I really do like about it that I never thought of was how to put the hydraulic oil in it. It's got a pump, you put it in your can, pump it right in. I like that real well. It's a lot neater, environmentally clean, just works real well.
I run a John Deere, I run a Tiger Cat, I run a 618, and out of all the machines, this is the one I consider to be the best. In my opinion, it's smoother, faster. I just love it. You haven't had any breakdowns whatsoever. Haven't even blown a hose yet. Your production is way up if you ain't broke down all the time, and this machine is very, very reliable.